Hi, this is Manjuna Chandraya. Today's session will be learning how to find a unique values from multiple columns. So I have a set of data with the document number, date, product and the amount in set A. Set B also we have a document number, date, product and the amount. What we need to find is we need to analyze both the documents number and see whether there is any variance or difference in the values, or we need to match the data with the set A and set B. For that, usually simple way of doing is to get the unique value, copy this data into a new sheet and do a data remove duplicates, right? That is what we are trying to do, right? Remove duplicates. So I don't want to do that because whenever I add data down to each of the sets, so in the third sheet I need to get the unique values automatically, and the matching between the amounts set A and set B also should reflect there. So for that, how we need to do that? So for this data, I'm going to create a table. Why we are creating a table? Because going forward in future, if you have add a data, automatically the table picks the range. So that's the reason we are going to create a table. Create a table for this. Okay, this is created. Let me change the color to red. Okay, set B. Similarly, I'm going to click anywhere in this insert table. Click OK. So this is also created. Let me change the color to red. Okay, now we have two set of data. So let me create a third sheet where we said we'll keep it as unique values. Okay, match. Okay, click OK. Now I created a sheet. So I need to create the unique values here. In the column A, let's put a formula. It is called unique. Here we'll try to use two functions to get the unique values. Unique, open bracket. Once you open a bracket, use one more function called as VSTACK. VSTACK also it's like a consolidate. It will going to consolidate the sheets from the multiple sheets. VSTACK. We'll use unique as well as the VSTACK. Open bracket. Go to set A. So I'm going to select the range. Okay. So now it is selected table one. You can see table one document numbers. Comma. Go to set B. I'm going to select the only document numbers here. Okay. Since we have started with the one open bracket and two open brackets, so we need to close by two open brackets. Click OK, enter. Now we can see these are the unique values picked. So around 23 values. Let me insert one column header. Let me insert a row. Okay, this is document number. Okay, let's say I need to get the set A amount and set B amount here and the difference. So what we are trying to get, we already got the unique values here. So if you add anything new, so now it's 24, right? So let me add in set B some value, say 999, and give some date. So already the range is picked here. Let me give the same date, same one, say 10,000. Go to unique value. See, already this value is picked here, unique value. So need not go ahead and each time you get to try to get the duplicates, removing the duplicates, get the unique values. Need not to do. Since we have set these two data in table format, automatically data will pick the range. So let me go to set B. I'm going to delete this one. Okay, go here. See, no data here. Since we have a row here, so text. Let me delete this row. 17. So now you see nothing. We don't have any values here. Let's put a VLOOKUP to get the set amount. Okay, can use this function box. It not opens. Okay, you can open the open bracket. Select the cell, comma. Go to set A. We need the document number, right? So from document number, I'm starting to amount column. Amount column is the fourth column. So 4, comma 0. Now we got the set amount. Double click on it. So here you can see it is showing null because this is not in the set A. So it's in the set B. If you search here, okay, let me take that copy, go to set B. So you can see here, it is here. That's the reason it shows not applicable here. So I don't want to get it as not applicable. So to avoid that error, you can use a if error here. Just add before we look up if error. If error open bracket. Sorry. If error open bracket. Under this bracket, after the end of the bracket, put comma, put double quote, or you can put it as 0. Okay, I'm putting a double quote, show it as blank. Close the bracket, hit enter. You just copy the formula down till here. So now you can see this is blank, so it is not taking any values. Okay, or you can want to keep it as 0, you can keep 0 also. So instead of this, I'll put it as 0. There is no values. See, you get the 0 values here. Okay, let me put it as 0 values. If you look up, we'll put if we look up first here, selecting the document, comma, go to set B. I'm selecting the entire range. So fourth column is you have the amount column, comma 4, comma 0, close the bracket. You got. So we need to add the if error. So I'm going to add if error here. If error, any error, we need to ignore that, comma 0, close bracket, and go down. Just drag it. And now you see here the values are picking it. Okay, here you can see for these documents we have in set A also value and set B also we have the values. You can find the difference here. Set A minus set B. So now you can see these are which is not in the set B. So it's sorry, I need to change it to set B here. Okay. So if you are trying to match from set A to set B, I'm starting from here to minus here. If you are matching the set B to set A, then it will be set C to minus B2. If you drag it, you will get the balance. Since I'm trying to match from the set A, let me change it to set A minus set B. So we know that these documents are in both the columns, but the amount are different. These are only in set A, right? Set B there is no values. Below are the line items which are in the set B, which are not in the set A, right? So now you are able to find the values, unique values here. So each time we need not to do. I'm just going to select the borders. Okay. Whenever you add the set of data here and set B data, you can get the automatic data gets picked here in the below. I hope this session was helpful. Do let me know for any other function. I'll try to create a video on it. And thank you for your time. Happy learning.